Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about multiples. Dear students, do you know what are the multiples? Okay, let us study in this lecture. A multiple is therefore a number which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder. Now look at these numbers: 100, 1000, 10,000. When we divide each of the following numbers by 10, we get a quotient with no remainder. 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. 10 is a quotient and remainder 0. 1000 divided by 10 is equal to 100. 100 is a quotient and remainder 0. Let's check. 1000, 10. 10 ones are 10, 0, 10 zeros are 0, 0, 10 zeros are 0. So the remainder is 0. 10,000 divided by 10 is equal to 1000. 1000 is a quotient and remainder 0. Here 100, 1000 and 10,000 are known as multiples of 10. These are the multiples of 10. Now let us understand with the help of some examples. For example, 56. 56 is the multiple. 56 is a multiple of 2. Let's check. 56. 2 2s are 4, 1, 6, 2 8s are 16. So the remainder is 0. The numbers that come in the table of any other number is a multiple of that number. Let's take another example. 20. 20 is a multiple of 2 because it comes in the table of 2. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 with 0 remainder. So 18 is a multiple of 2 because 18 comes in the table of 2. 18 is a multiple of 2 because 18 comes in the table of 2. When we read 2 times table of 2, 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. 18 comes table of 2 at 9. So it is the multiple of 2. Any numbers which come in the times table of any other number, that is the multiple of that number. So 18 जो है वो मल्टीपल है 2 का क्योंकि वो 2 के टेबल पे आता है 9 पे. 2 9s are 18. Now common multiples. Common multiples, when the multiples of 2 or more numbers are the same, they are called common multiples. For example, look at the multiples of 2 and 3. Multiples of 2 are 2, 2, 4, 6. Multiples of 2 वो होते हैं जो 2 के टेबल्स में आते हैं. Multiples of 3 वो जो 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. Multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Let's understand multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20। इसी तरह हमें मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 भी लिख लेने हैं। 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 3 6 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30। In these multiples of 2 and 3, you need to figure out common numbers. So, common numbers of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18. These are the common multiples. Common multiples. कौन कौन से हैं? 6, 12 and 18. These are the multiples of both 2 and 3 tables.